Hey guys, how's it going? And today we're with another VR video because we got bored. So, are you guys ready to go into the Hellsplit arena? So let's go with some training this year, and we will go with the armory, which I haven't actually seen yet. So yeah, I don't know where to go with it. Oh, whatever. You guys let it go in, and okay, I've seen this, but I didn't know the name of it. Good, yeah, we're good. Okay. Where's the button? If you guys don't know this, well, maybe you do. Ah, here we go. This is how we're gonna get our weapons. So, let's get a nice. Yes. And just in case, we're also going to become Thor. Good. And because I'm so good at this game, we're going to go on expert. Yeah. I got. What are you going to do now? I win. It's gonna be you. Oh, good. You have to finish it. There we go. The sword is so dull. I bring on the sword. Okay, guys. You guys ready? Hello, my friend. Oh God. You know what? Come here. Oh, never mind. Give me back the sword. Back up you. Ah! This time! Don't do that to me! Get back here! Ah! Well, I lost. I slowly just went further and further to my PC. Okay! That may not have gone as well as I thought it would on on a map I've never been on before. In that case, we're just gonna start off big. Yeah, we'll get a healing. Just in case. We only get one. We'll do this. Ready. Huh? Zelda. Oh, we are already starting off with the boss. Oh, there's no turning this. I have to turn him. Stop! Stop! Die! 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 I don't like you bully! Oh god, I'm poisoned. Zelda! Hey, by the way, stop pushing around me. Can you do? Okay, well, now we don't need this anymore for the rest of this. Because we can use our hands. That truly is the most powerful weapon. I can prove it. Hello. Get over here. You got him. Oh. Back up. Now. Okay. Knock, knock. Who's there? Me. That's it. Don't interrupt me. I'm handicapping myself. Truly, my hands are the most powerful weapon. Oh, heck yeah. Well, I get your mask. Hey. Oh, he's fast. Oh, cool, we won. Hey, how rude. Who's that here? There we go, that's better. Oh, hey. Why could you hear what you do? I tried to do the, No, I tried to, do the, what's his name? Oh, whatever. Overwatch. Oh yeah, Hanzo. I tried to do Hanzo's special move thing. You didn't go very well. Hey, how you doing? They are no match for my power. You really want to end up like this? Go done. I tried to warn you. Literally, I could just run like this. But then again, where's the fun in that? Ha! Da! Oh, what the heck? Ah, pushing. Superpowers! Go away! Bad! Bam! Ah! Hands are truly my most powerful and overused weapon. Cause you use your hands for everything, so clearly it's going to be the most powerful weapon you have. Zelda! 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 God, these guys are strong. I wish I could just, like, take the sword. Okay, well, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna play with fire. By that I mean weapons, swords, claymore. Anyway, nope. I got my big toy sword. Then we need yes. Then we're also gonna need here. Okay. Then we are also going to need, just in case, yes, the secret weapon. This must be so annoying. No, 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 no. God, I'm so annoying to this guy. No. I'm a cruel person. Oh. Hey, how you doing? Bad. Yikes. Aye, aye, aye. Rush. Your teeth have calcium. You need it for your bones. Skeleton. Oh. That wasn't my fault. He walked into my sword. Oh, hello. How did you hit me? I have a shield. I am the most annoying person with this. Never give me a shield if you're fighting me. Ah. Never mind, it's fine to give me a shield apparently, because... Is he still fighting me? Jeez. That did not go very well. Well, everybody. Hold on. Ah, wait a minute. Mission accomplished. Oh my god, I can do it with this. Man, VR really has come in a long way. Black Smith! I want the sparks. I always see sparks in the show. I shall control fire. More. More. Hutch, 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 hutch. Okay. What the power of ice? I think that would be enough. Ice is nice. Oh, cool. Oh, that's cold. Oh, that's cold. Oh my god, that's still glowing. Yes. Why do we have targets if there's no bow and arrows in the game? Can I climb this? Oh, I was really hoping to climb this, like, grab onto it. Or like... What the... Oh, oh, oh. Hello, friend. Oh my god, I'm about to punch my monitor. Give me a second. I have not paid my taxes. Just kidding. I don't have to. Just kidding. God, I have really wrinkly hands. Do I have marks on? What is that? No one's hand has that. Have I just been wearing multiple rings? And then took them all off suddenly? Seriously, look at these hands! Oh god, look at those veins. Oh. Oh. These are horrible hands. Oh my god, look at my knuckles. They're so wrinkly. How old am I in this game? Grr. Can I? I have the power of fire. Oh, I tried. What if I... Technically, my hand is a weapon, so... Wait a minute, can I just... Can I have infinite fire potions? Yes, I think I can. Ah, but the maximum is 3. There's one here, one here. It's 5. No, 6. Why is the maximum 3? Now what if I... Okay. What about... I say yes. Be the strongest there ever was. I hold no guilt. Oh my god! You guys see this? Oh yeah, let me see. Right. Yes. I am all powerful. This is the power that I hold. Okay. So, what happens if I get a giant hammer? Wait, no, there's one over here. Okay, it's official. I can't lose. Everyone, this is how you win at life. You just have so many potions, you do magic. Yes, that is how you win at life. Yes. Oh yeah! Now I can stand looking at my hands. It's nicer. I am a knight, and I shall deserve a shield. Just like one. Right? Oh no. Oh god, what is... Possessed. Now do it again. Oh, I got an expert. No. Wait a minute. I can also... Oh yes. I shall never die. Oh. Okay. I am invincible now. Go Guys, this is what it means to be rich. No one can touch you. Okay. I'm ready. Ooh, fire. Okay guys, we've won. Got okay, we have one. Can I put some? Oh, bye! Wait, why don't you have a superpower, sir? Bada bing! Hello! Satisfying. Well, let's try voice. Well, this is awesome. We don't even have to worry now. Green fire. What the? I have green fire. Green fire has come. Oh no, I just hit my keyboard. Gonna move up. Gonna move back. This is entertaining. What if we put this in the ice? We have poison, but what if we do this? Nothing, okay. We just made this infinite. This is lasting way too long. I called it. Oh no, don't hurt me. Well, you didn't hurt me. Stop! Don't be mean. Stop! That works. Ah! Oh heck yeah. Oh no. Hey guys, me screen may be frozen, and I cannot see. Well, on that note, I think that's a good. Can't move either. Well, on that note, I guess that's a good way to end this episode. Clearly, my PCs can't handle any more of this. So, see you dudes next time.
I played it innocent, a feel of discontent.